Hi, what's up guys? I'm Angele Altieri. If this is your first time here, welcome to the video. I wasn't going to film another video because my makeup doesn't look great, but nor does my hair. I don't know what's worse, my makeup or my hair. I don't know, you tell me in the comments, or don't. Let's be nice. But I've had this two pairs of sneakers sitting in their shipping box, and I thought, why not just make a video on them. They've been sitting here for probably about a week, over a week. So, oh, and it kind of matches me. Huge box. But this is the Kobe Nike 5 Proto Undefeated. It's a long name, come on. These are the Nike Kobe 5s Proto Undefeated What If pack. So I got the pack, I got both pairs. So if you're interested in learning more about this shoe and my thoughts on this shoe, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. So here's the box. Huge. Freaking huge. Gives the Undefeated logo there. And I got these in a size, she's dusty, a size 6. So almost my size, but not my size. These were $3.90 for the whole shebang. Can you see it? I can't carry it anymore. I'm so sorry. And they released August 27th. I got these from Undefeated. This is what it looks like when you open it. So yeah, we have the list of the 13 teams involved in Kobe's 1996 drafts. But yeah, we'll get into that. Charlotte's highlighted on this side because that's the franchise the shoes like inspired by, and then there are all these other teams over here. So we'll go into the multicolor pair first. So this pair smells so good. There's just so much of this box. This pair symbolizes the 12 teams that passed on Kobe. The material freaks me out. So yeah, these are the 12 teams that passed up on Kobe in the 1996 drafts, which were the Sixers, the Raptors, Grizzlies, Bucks, the Timberwolves, Celtics, the Clippers, Cavaliers, Warriors, Nets, Mavericks, Pacers. Was that 16? Was that 12? Was that 12? I hope that was 12. This shoe. So yeah, we have in the inside. This is the right sneaker. Oh, she's packed in there. On the insole, we have a list of the cities. So Philadelphia, Toronto, we got the Raptors, Vancouver, Milwaukee, Minnesota, Boston, Los Angeles, New Jersey, Dallas, Indiana, Oakland, and Cleveland. So yeah, we have an array of colors: gold, navy, black, green, more golds, navy, maroon, a little bit of aquamarine. Oh, there's paper on here. So yeah, that's the shoe. That's a little backstory of the shoe. There is the using going on over here, and like this snake style polyurethane kind of. Ooh, just, ooh. Do you see it? It gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't like that texture. In my opinion, I don't like this texture. And there's like the ballistic style mesh on the side. Very bubbly swoosh, gold swoosh, black laces. And of course the icy gum bottom. These do not age well, the gum bottoms, the icy blue bottoms. They do not age well. So we have the Undefeated logo going on, branding, the tongue. So if we go into the other side, on the insole it has all 12 cities from before, and then the 13th city being Charlotte. Charlotte was the 13th team, so they took Kobe Bryant, but then they later traded him to the Lakers, and he said he wanted to go to LA. If he didn't go to LA, he would go overseas. So he ended up in LA, clearly. But this whole, I guess, collab is about the what if, like what if he stayed on these 12 teams or went overseas, stuff like that. And again, it's the same design, same everything. We just have white all over, same gold swoosh, but the Charlotte Hornets, what is this, like a turquoise color going on. Smells so good. Same icy bottom. Everything else is the same, it's just the color. And the inside, of course, the insole. Again, this material right here, these like the Mamba scaling is, I guess not homage, but it's like similar to the Kobe 6s. But yeah, of both pairs, this is definitely one I would gravitate towards. I like white sneakers, and I'm not into extremely multicolored sneakers, but I mean, I'm not a basketball player. Is that clear? I'm not a basketball player. I am pretty tall for a girl. I'm a little over 5'6", so in high school or middle school I would get asked all the time if I play basketball. My dad plays basketball, my brother plays basketball, so I was always asked if I played, and the answer is no. Never played. Not very athletic. Don't watch professional basketball all the time. I used to go to my brother's games all the time, but that's really the extent of me in basketball. I'll watch the playoffs, stuff like that, or if someone's watching the game, I'll watch. And I know a little bit because I used to sit in games every weekend, but I don't know a lot, so I'm not gonna pretend I know a lot. Do you think these are great basketball sneakers? You tell me, because I don't know. I've seen some videos saying that the Protro, what is this? Silhouette construction isn't great on the calves because it's soft in the back and you sink in the back. But again, I don't know. I can't tell you much on the functionality of these being a basketball sneaker. I could tell you about the look, and I could tell you about the history a little bit on the shoe itself and the collaboration, but that's as far as I got for you, as far as I go for you. But yeah, let me know which pair is your favorite in this release, in this collab. Did you cop? Probably not. These are really hard to get a hold of, but I'm holding them, literally. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday, Sunday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and link all my social media down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop them. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.